Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to install a Bodyguard bumper on this 2023 Chevy Silverado. It's got a 6-liter, I understand. It's not the 6-liter we love, but it is a good 6-liter. You hear Alien in the background. My niece is over here running around like an animal. Everybody meet TR. He's one of our new team members here. We've done 2 of them so far to perfect it, so it looks good on camera. We're putting an FT Extreme Series, right?
Yes.
Bodyguard bumper.
FT T2 Extreme Series.
FT T2 Extreme Series. You can find them on our website. We're going to show you guys, first of all, how they ship them. That's got to add some value. They ship them absolutely stellar, so bravo to Bodyguard. And then we're also going to show you the install. Of course, this is just for the Chevys. It's honestly quite mind-blowing how much you got to take apart on the front of this damn truck just to get a ding bumper off. That being said, once you get it off, it goes together so freaking easy. There's nothing, it's easy as can be. This truck here doesn't have any of the sensors in it, or the
Yeah, so the parking
sensors, the camera,
camera
or the fog lights. It doesn't have any of that. So in the grand scheme of things, it's a little bit easier for us, but I don't think that would add much more than maybe 10 minutes of install because it all clips in.
It's one clip on the left.
Yeah, and then you put all the harness into the bumper. It's super easy. So it's a brand new oil-filled truck. It's a gorgeous truck for what it is, you know. I just wish Chevy would have figured out whatever the hell is going on right there. Like, Chevy, what the hell? Move that here. Just boop, and then it looks normal. Not on the door. So, just making fun of Chevy.
All clips.
It all clicks together. This is plastic.
Yep.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Clips.
Clips.
Everything's plastic clips. So, this is part of the shipment here of one of the bumpers. We've done 2 of them so far. This is part of the shipment. They sent it wrapped in these blankets and then saran wrapped with this black saran wrap and then protected with this foam and the cardboard box. You can't beat that. It's damn near impossible for the shipping company to screw your bumper up. If they screwed up through that, bravo shipping company. All right, TR, what's first?
Alrighty, you got these three, these ones.
What torque spit is that?
Torque, it's T15. You got the one right here. Another one right here. Right here.
How'd you fit your big head in there?
Yeah, I know, right? Practice. Yeah. Driver's side as well. Same spots. And there's those 3. Whole 6.
What's next, buddy?
This is the scary part of it all. Everything's all clips. Don't worry about breaking anything, really.
If for some reason you break one of the plastic clips,
they sell them at Napa.
Right here.
The part number. Yeah.
We had one break on us, so we had to go back and get another one. How far back do we got to go?
Right there.
So that one actually, I think we just had one break.
Nope. It just came out of its little nub.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Let me show them this. So, well, dang it. This just slides in. If you guys look, this is a lot of new age technology here. Say that, it's funny. But that just slides in.
Yeah, it just pops in the little groove.
Right there.
Right there, and right here. And there it is.
You're doing this so you can get to this guy right here.
Which holds this whole entire plastic piece. And this is also the same clips.
Yep, the plastic piece is all the same clips.
Up top, there is bolts underneath this cover. Okay. And behind, there's one behind here.
Okay.
Same thing.
That one broke. There's one that broke right there. Show you guys. On a brand new truck, it even breaks.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys the little kit you get from your Napa or auto parts store, because so many vehicles are done like this nowadays. One of these tools is nice for these clips, okay? You pop this part out, it's pretty self-explanatory, and then from there, it comes right out. Anyways, when you push it in, show you guys, it spreads the plastic out to hold it in place. That's all it is plastic.
Yes.
So much plastic on these newer vehicles.
And then, before you even take that cover off, you have to remove the
hood latch.
Because you can't get it past.
Can't get it past? Okay.
Yep.
Good little tech tip there. So once that's out, stay on your handy dandy cart.
And you got the sides to do first.
Cool. Show us how to pop those off.
7mm bolts on this side.
Our 1/4-inch ratchet broke in the first one.
Yeah.
Damn Milwaukee. You know what I meant, maybe. We beat the living daylights out of that thing. One of these days I'll get Milwaukee to sponsor the channel.
That one. Alrighty. This is another fun part.
The scary part, you mean?
The scary part.
You're literally popping plastic out.
Yeah, so you get behind, you get right here, and you legitly just, this is crazy. There it is.
Once you get the first one to pop, usually the rest will come out pretty easily. Is that my tool? Is it being a butthead?
Yeah, this one's, there it is, got it.
Okay.
Boom. All it is, clips for the front. Go here, and 2 right here.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it.
Go to the other side. Boom. You got the bolts, pull the grill on. Those ones are millimeters.
10.
This one right here. This one, I think there's 2 on top and 2 on bottom. Here's this one. And this one on the other side.
What's crazy, guys, you'll see we're going to take it all the way apart, pull the bumper, put it all the way back together, and then put the new bumper on.
Yeah. And you're going to grab either on this side or right here. I feel right here's better for me.
Woo. That's sketchy.
It is. Doing on the other side, all it is clips again.
4.
3?
4.
Oh yeah, 4. You didn't see that one. Yep, 4.
That's just so you can get to these guys right here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Instead of putting them on the frame,
They went up top. Damn GM. If you need a new brush for your wife, I bet she'd like this. Isn't that a crazy looking cooler? I think it's like a power steering cooler probably. But pretty crazy looking.
one here, one here. We got 2 more way down. All the way right there. And one on the other side. Yep.
We ready to pull the bumper off now?
We have 4 15mm bolts down below. There's 2 little brackets that bolt to the frame.
Okay.
Right here, another 2 on this side.
Okay. Little support brackets?
Yep, support brackets.
Bumper's not gonna fall on you?
Nope. Yeah. And these are 15mm.
Now realistically, guys, we have this fancy hoist here because this makes it to where one guy can do this, no problem. Yep, Harbor Freight. I'm not gonna lie, this is like the best 600 bucks I've ever spent at a Harbor Freight is one of these guys. Keep it around the shop for stuff. You can install this without that. You can use an engine hoist, you can use a buddy. It's not difficult by no means.
What's next? Alright, on here, you got your block heater, right? That's what this is, block heater.
Yep.
Runs down below right here, comes on this bumper. You just get a little pick, put it down, boom. Now she's ready to come.
Now, if you had the other sensors, they would plug in right here.
Yep.
All of your parking sensors and your camera would plug in right here, and there'd be a harness going to each individual one. We don't have that on this truck. It's a pretty base model truck, so we don't have to mess with it. But just so you guys know, that's where that's at. And then those clips will just pop out and go into the new bumper.
Yep.
The next thing you're going to do is these bumpers come with tow hooks included. So, and you need this spot right here for the new brackets. Okay, so we're going to take this off, and then we also have to take this bracket off right here, because this is where your brackets will mount. Okay, so we're going to take the tow hooks and this bracket right here off next.
These also are 15 millimeters.
Yep, they're all at 15 millimeters. And gals, in case there's a gal watching. In this whole process, you're going to reuse these 8 that we just pulled off, and then the 2 that go into the tow hooks.
Yep.
Those are the only things that you're going to reuse from the bumper. You don't use the other ones we took out previously, that where they mount right here, and those 2 underneath. We don't reuse those.
Yeah. And this should just come right off. 18s. These ones are 18s, and then the 18s are over here. Those are ready to come off. Side.
Now we're done with teardown, right?
Yep.
So now we'll take and put it back together. For our truck, because we don't have any fancy lights or anything, all these extra brackets, they're all just for fog lights.
These are the important ones.
Those 2 brackets are the only 2 brackets we're going to use. And then this right here is your front plate, license plate holder. If you live in a state that you have to have a front plate.
Other than that, that's it.
Pretty dang easy from here on out. So, like I said, you use the OEM hardware, and they're labeled driver and passenger.
That side.
So this one goes here, just like that. The only thing I think Bodyguard could have done better, and this is just me being picky, is put a sleeve in here, right where these go. But that's just me being super picky. Honestly, not needed. There's plenty of room for adjustment out here between the bumper itself and the bracket. The bracket does the side by side, the bumper does the up and down on the slots. So you have plenty of room for adjustment. You'll just take and snug these bad boys right up. There's no adjustment in these.
Oh, just zip them up.
Put our hardware here to be ready. And then 4, 5. Something else to point out, Bodyguard is pretty smart when it comes to this. There are the copper or the gold looking washers and the chrome washers. I like to be color matching. And we'll put the chrome right here, just like that. So that way when you look in the front, you're not seeing the gold and the chrome at the same time. You just have the chrome only. Because chrome gets you home. At least that's what they say. Now, if you're using the OEM stuff, if you have all the sensors, you won't use any of these. If you don't have the sensors, just put these right into the bumper. Other than that, the rest of this we aren't going to use. There's none of it that needs to be used for what we're doing. Alrighty.
The license plate bracket.
Oh yeah,
Stuff is
there's a
in
few
there.
pieces in there for the license plate bracket. I forgot about that. Those little white clips that go in here
And the nuts.
and the nuts form to hold your thing on there. And there we go. I'm sure that the good and tight does the trick here. So these plugs right here go right there, so it simulates that you have a fancier truck than you have. And look at that, looks like we got sensors that we don't actually have. Right, so from here, this is where you would want to have a buddy, or you just use this hoist and figure it out on your own, one or the other. Hold it right there. What's really cool about these bolts, guys, if you'll notice this, you see how it's got a grippy back end on the backside? What's cool is we can, now that it's snugged up, just an impact, done. It'll be in place and good to go. Good, down?
Yeah, down.
You good? Good. Okay, let's come down.
Okay, right there.
On this side. TR, say hi again, everybody.
Hi.
You get to watch him do a lot of powder coating soon.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put the block heater in, and then from there, we're going to go drop them off to Tori. Thank you so much for choosing us. Appreciate the awesome bumpers from Bodyguard. If you guys need any, check them out on our website, blessperformance.com. Give us a call. These shipped in about 2 weeks. That's pretty dang good for 3 bumpers. Can't complain about that. So, the sensor, I mean, it just clips right in. It's pretty straightforward. Goes right there. It's a gorgeous looking bumper. So, yeah, I like it a lot. I really like what they did with the curving right here to kind of follow the body lines of the hood, and how most bumpers are just straight right here. They took the time to make it contour to the body a little bit, and I'm pretty confident if you hit a deer or an elk, your truck's going to be just fine with this thing, which is the whole goal behind it. You've got a trailer hitch in the front, so you can tow stuff from the front if you want to, or look like you're a rancher. Bodyguard Bravo on the badass bumper.
Oh yeah.
We are all super impressed with them. Once again, we appreciate your guys' support. Be sure to click like, subscribe, all that other fun stuff. Check us out on all of our other social medias, Instagram, Facebook. You're already on YouTube. TikTok. I think we got a Twitter too that my brother runs. Yeah, something like that. And I think we got a LinkedIn.